have a conversation with my several friends from BPEC Makassar. Here they are. We have Mr. Brian here. Hi, Mr.
Hello,
Brian.
Smart FM.
Okay, how was your day?
Yeah, it was wonderful day.
It was a wonderful day.
Yes.
And also we have Mr. Rifki here.
Yeah, good evening, smart listener.
Okay, welcome back to our studio. And
Yeah.
so, how was your day?
It's really hard
Oh,
for me.
what's hard?
A lot of trouble today.
Oh, a lot of trouble and a lot of problems.
Yeah.
So we hope you can solve your problem as soon as possible.
And that's possible I come here.
Oh
because
yes.
a lot of trouble in my home.
Oh, okay. And we hope you can have relaxing conversation with us
Yeah.
tonight. And as usual, this program is the collaboration program between BC and also Smart FM Makassar, Smart Listener. And you can join us tonight in our conversation. You can join by commenting on our live streaming on YouTube channel Smart FM Makassar. Just write down your comment on, or you can send us the text message on our WhatsApp 0811461011. Well, guys, Mr. Brian and Mr. Fikri, so I
I'm
want you
sorry.
to
Rifki.
introduce Rifki. Sorry, I remember Fikri. Okay, I want you to introduce what BPEC is to smart listener.
Okay, let me tell you what BPC is. BPC is the group that English group in Benteng Rotterdam. Start from 10 p.m. until 2 p.m.
That's the weekly meeting.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So maybe there's another activity that you want to invite or to share to smart listener, so the smart listener knows.
Okay. The BPC meeting is free of charge, so you can join every Sunday, and you can invite your family, your boyfriend, girlfriend, and etc.
Oh wow!
Okay,
So
that's good.
this the BPEC itself is the oldest communities, English communities, right?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
Oldest
right.
communities, and also the big group of English enthusiasm. The person who enthusiastic to learn English, and you can join their weekly meeting, smart listener, every Sunday, right? On 10 a.m. to 2
2
p.m.
p.m.
every Sunday. Well, and they conduct their meeting on Benteng Fort Rotterdam.
But now is still move at Jalan Jipang. Raya.
Oh
Yeah,
yes,
still
Yeah.
because of the pandemic,
COVID-19.
We moved to Jalan
COVID-19,
Jipang.
they moved their weekly meeting to Jipang Raya. Well, okay, guys. Mr. Brian has said before you can invite your family to join their weekly meeting with BPC Makassar. And tonight also we are going to talk about family. So, are you excited, guys, to talk about the family?
Yeah, I'm really
Yeah,
excited.
that's
Okay.
really interesting. So for me,
So, for you,
about
Mr.
family,
Mr. Rifki, what's
Yes.
family? What is family
Well,
for you?
family is the first love
Mhm.
in my life.
Okay, the first love. So, for you, Mr. Brian,
Yeah.
what's family?
Family is the important thing that I have. Yeah. Without family, I'm nothing.
Yes, without family,
We nothing.
we are nothing because they are the closest human beings, who live with us from we born in this world until now, right?
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
family is very important. But what's your family values? What your family's value that maybe your parents always teach you every single day, Mr. Rifki?
What is values?
Value, nilai keluar.
Oh,
The
From
family values.
I cannot count the values but my family. That is, if in world
Mm-hmm.
someone give me 1 million or 1 trillion million, I cannot change my family.
Mm-hmm.
That's my values. They
Okay.
cannot count by money, cannot count by the material. Family is really, really more important for
More than everything.
thing. Yeah.
Okay, so you have to make your family, or maybe in another word, the family is priority. That's maybe the value that your parents always teach you every day. So the family is very, very, very important, more than anything. So, but for you, what's your family values
Brian?
that your parents always teach you? Maybe.
Yeah, my family's value is, yeah, my family always teach me that, yeah, whatever the problem, you have to be patient to solve it.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, same, the same, uh, the same thing that Rifki has said. Family is the important thing. We cannot change it for money. And yeah, I mean, family is everything.
Family is
yes.
everything. So the value that your parents always teach you is when you have a problem, just be patient.
Yeah,
You
just
have
be
to be
patient.
patient and to how to say, you have to solve it
Yeah,
with
solve
your
it.
effort, but
Yeah.
in passion.
Yeah,
Well, okay, it's a good value. But for me, the value of the family, my family or my parents always teach me how to be a good person. A good person, always be kind to anybody,
yeah,
and also we have to reach our dream
yeah,
Yeah,
with the big effort.
you talk about some happiness about when you have family, but not many people
Outside
in
there.
outside there don't have complete family.
Yes, I see.
So if you find someone like to easy to smile, easy to welcome, just feel like your family.
Yes.
Just come on, I can give you hope.
Well, I know there's a lot of people outside there hasn't a complete family, but I'm sure that they have their own happiness. But they love, even though they have no a complete member of the family, but they have a complete love
yeah.
for the
Oh.
family.
The true love.
The true love, right? This is a serious discussion, right? So,
Because what we're talking about family, that is what the first you coming in world, that's first time you meet it, that's your family, your mom, your father, your brother, your sister,
the first
your
human
uncle.
beings
Yeah,
you meet in this
in
world.
in what is in your daily you meet
Yeah,
first
when
with
you were born.
family.
Yes,
That
yes.
is
Okay, but I'm curious to know who's the funniest member of the family in your family? Who's the funniest kids, maybe the funniest member who always have a lot of jokes to tell to every member of the family? In your family? Who? Can you tell us?
wait a minute.
In your family, Mr. Brian.
Me, my nephew.
Yeah.
My nephew always, how to say, always, how to say, meminjam.
Borrow.
Yeah, borrow my phone to like, how to say, selfie or playing TikTok. And I think, and then in front of the camera with their smiling.
Uh-huh.
And yeah, I think that's a funny thing that my nephew always did to me.
Yes. So
Even though I'm angry.
even though you are angry, your nephew just laugh.
Yes.
Okay. She or
She.
she did not take it serious.
Yeah.
So what about you, Mr. Rifki? Who's the funniest member?
Because I'm the only
Child.
in my family, so my favorite family is my mom. Because
Your
what-
cousin maybe?
I don't have. My mom is really easy to love and smile. Something, you know what?
She's a lovable person.
Yeah, you know what? My favorite situation is when my mom pray and I see my mom will be loud and don't see me like that move from my front. Oh, come on, mom! I just stay here and play game and just move. Come on, I cannot pray because you stay in my front. Just be low. And another jokes, another one is when my mom cook, I disturb her. So the second is my father. That is he give me my money. Just say that you have 5,000 for what? I want to pay petrol. Come on, only you 5,000. I give you 2,000. 20,000.
So you
I
are
mean.
the only child and you are the daddy's and mommy's son.
Yeah.
Well, so smart listener, what about you?